It is obvious that movie merchandising works. Last year, Hollywood released huge blockbusters like Harry Potter Part 4, Star Wars Part 3, Chronicles of Narnia, King Kong, etc. The worldwide box office collections in 2005 were around $9 billion. In comparison, movie merchandise in 2005 generated $16 billion. The West has understood the importance and value of merchandising for a long time. In this matter, India has always been far behind. Audience wants to maintain a connection with their favorite films, especially children. Through merchandise, they take a little part of the film back to their houses and their lives. With Koi Mil Gaya, I decided to venture into this territory. Being the first time, we took some time getting used to the process and logistics. Finally, the merchandise hit the markets a little late, but the sales were high enough to prove that merchandising, if done correctly, has great potential. The merchandising of Krish will be done on a never-before scale. Fans of the film will find not only branded apparel, but Krish dolls and action figures, other toys, watches, stationery, and much more. These will be available at various outlets all over India. My dream was that a child who sees the film should be able to buy merchandise right after it. Together, we are making this dream come true. Today, we are even tying up with multiplexes to be able to sell Krish items on their premises.
I don't think it's exciting to come full circle. I think the challenges should just keep mounting. You should keep rising higher. I don't think it's. I think it's futile. It's a waste of time to sit and identify so much with your past and say, oh, I have done it now, so I can rest and relax. I don't waste time in doing that. The idea is to keep choosing the higher mountain to climb, putting in your best and finding yourself in situations where you always think that the current work that you're doing now is the best you've ever done. But that means that you're evolving, that means that you're staying inspired. So I think that's what's important for me. There can be a bigger challenge than risking your life. In that regard, there was not any one moment that I could pick, because there were several of them where I felt very lucky when I came out of particular shots alive. My favorite superhero has undoubtedly been Superman, until of course Krish came along.
हम ये पहली बार इस तरह के प्रोडक्ट्स लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, तो we are setting a standard where other films are going to benefit also, and this merchandising will slowly creep in to the industry and people will start working on it.
देखिए Jadugia, he spent so much time on Earth in part 1 that now he needs to spend some time with his family on his planet. So he's taking a break, but he'll be back. Maybe part 3 again.
आओ सुनाओ प्यार की एक कहानी, एक था लड़का एक थी लड़की दीवानी.
The look that Krish projects is something that trickles down from a source in the story. It has a deep link to Rohit from Koi Mil Gaya. It has an emotional source. The jacket, the mask, everything is not something like, which is what makes him such a different superhero, because he's not sat and constructed his look. Okay, I will wear this and stand there and save the world. But it's something that is a flow that just flows naturally within the screenplay of the film. And of course, I can't expand more on that. You'll have to see the film to understand exactly what I'm saying. But I think you get the picture that it's a part of an emotional journey right from Rohit to this jacket and cape that he's wearing.
It's a launch of a superhero. I won't say that the whole movie is on around superhero like Superman or Batman or Spider-Man. We are basically we are launching a superhero in its own way. Slowly in the film, we show that the hero realizes that he has these powers. He can do much more, and then he realizes more. And by the end of the film, we see a superhero.
Because this genre of film was non-existent up until now, it was very important that we create a very strong and solid foundation for the birth of the superhero. It's not constructed, or it's not relying on the support system of a comic book or any sort of preconceived. So we had to start from scratch, and we had to make sure that the foundation is really solid, so that it creates the space for the birth of the superhero. So this film is actually truly about the birth of a superhero. If you're going to come inside looking for a Superman or Spider-Man, you might not get that, because it's not a superhero film really. It's the story of a simple boy whose name is Krishna, who has an emotional attachment to his grandmother, and the chapters in their lives that unfold in ways and situations that urge him to move and transform into Krish.